Today is week 3 on this 8-week stress-free planning Christmas guide that we have all embarked on together. And I hope that you've enjoyed weeks 1 and 2 so far, because week 3 is going to be lots of fun, and it's going to make sure that all is calm and all is bright for the happiest time of year. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Angela. I love to go shopping, and I love Christmas and being organized for Christmas and making sure you stay on track. So click that subscribe button and let's get into the video. Now we are into week 3. Are you ready? Week 3, I'm calling it DIY because that's our focus. Task number 1 is we are going to plan for donations. Now, this is only if you are able to. I absolutely 100% understand that sometimes, especially this year, how expensive everything is, donations may be off the list, and that's okay. Totally understand. However, there are some really amazing causes that could use your help if you are able to help out. Number 1 is your local food bank. I know it's really easy to give to the food bank, and you should be giving year-round because it's not just at Christmas that they need food. However, local grocery stores have already done the legwork for you. They've had pre-made hampers up. You can buy them for like $5 or $10. I also like to give like a little extra treat, like a nice box of cereal or something you know kids would like during this time of year. Children's Hospital, Ronald McDonald House. Where I live, like around Calgary, they have like Toys for Tots. And then this is something that I have done every year since I was a little girl, and it's Operation Christmas Child. Now, Operation Christmas Child, actually this week is their National Collection Week. So if you have not already picked up your shoebox, I'm going to tell you all about it. So this is from Samaritan's Purse, and it's really simple. You have these boxes that you pick up, and you get to fill them with special items that somebody, a little girl or a little boy or whoever, may love to receive. I thought this was important to get Ava involved in, to show her how important it is to give to others, and especially to lend a helping hand up. So Samaritan's Purse Operation Christmas Child is so great, and it tells you what to do. They have a checklist of items that are needed and items that you can also include. So Ava did this with me. She wanted to do a box for a boy and a girl, and she wanted to do it for her age. So this is the 5 to 9 category. You can also do it for a 2 to 4-year-old and a 10 to 14-year-old. So I'll just show you some of the items. So they asked for toothbrushes, and they asked for school supplies. So we got little notebooks here, soap, so a 2-pack of Dove soap, felt crayons, little soccer balls. We got some fun socks in here. There's some toys, some arts and crafts. So lots of fun things that, you know, somebody who maybe would never have the opportunity to receive something like this would be over the moon at Christmas time. And for the girl, I just have to show you, Ava obviously had to include a Barbie doll. So I thought that that was really sweet, and Ava really was interested in giving to others. And this week actually is Operation Christmas Child's National Collection Week. So if you go online, type in your postal code, they will tell you exactly where locations are where you can drop off these special boxes to go to some little girl or boy who are going to absolutely love it. Task number 2, if you have not already started your Christmas shopping, now is the time to start. What are you waiting for? Or if you have not already filled your cyber shopping baskets, do it now. Black Friday, Cyber Monday is right around the corner. My email has already started to fill up with Black Friday deals starting now. 40% off here, 50% off there. Start hitting up the deals now. If you do like to go to the mall like me, I still like shopping in person. I'm not a huge fan of online shopping. However, if you do like going to the malls like me, try and go during the day if you can. Sneak away on your lunch break. If you hit it up right away at like 10 a.m. before the malls get crazy, especially on a weekend. If you have to shop on a weekend, get there when the malls open. Don't wait till later on in the afternoon, because it is a madhouse right now. So start that Christmas shopping now. Check off your list like the jolly old elf himself. And then I don't want you to forget that in our handy planner here, I also have a list. Let me find it. I can't zoom in on this list because I filled it out. But I have a list of gifts, and it says who, wish, price, purchased, and wrapped. Keep track of what you've spent and keep track of what you've purchased. I've done this before, and I'm so guilty when I don't keep a list. I end up doubling up gifts for people, or I overspend. So keep track of your spending and keep track of what you've already purchased. Okay, task number 3, let's get crafty and get this DIY going. Now, if you love crafts during this time of year, start gathering your supplies now. Ava loves Christmas crafts. So I've already hit up Dollarama and I've scored all of the amazing deals. There's these really great like shrink keychains that she likes to do every year. I'm not happy with my wreath. So I need to get going on my wreath and kind of zhuzh it up a little bit. It's not looking as festive as I wanted it to. Also, if you're gonna be giving away crafts or DIY kits for a Christmas present, start getting all your supplies now. For instance, ornaments. If you want a really cute craft that you can do with your little ones, I actually make gift tags for Ava and I to give out. So she stamps them herself and she writes her name on them. So it's quite DIY and it's really cute. I have some from when she was like 1 that she did like a little stamp on them. So that's really sweet. Or Christmas cookies in a jar. I love it when somebody gifts me Christmas cookies in a jar. It's all the baking mix and it just tells you what to add. Or also, if you like to do photo gifts. So Ava's school pictures just came out. However, now that I have her school photos, I like to print off calendars and give them out to my mother-in-law or family members. Or if you like to do photo, like a whole 12-month calendar of different photos from throughout the year, make sure you get on it now. Vistaprint have really great deals, Staples, Walmart as well. Get your photo gifts printed now. Okay, task number 4 is all about decorating. Make a plan for your decorating, look at your schedule, and clear off a day or 2. Now, I have a tradition, and my mom and dad started this when I was little. My birthday is in November, and so my mom and dad always made sure that the Christmas tree and the Christmas lights were up and on and everything was looking bright and cheerful by my birthday. Well, I am working the weekend before my birthday. And I know for me, when I'm decorating the inside of my house, it takes me a solid weekend to get everything up. So if you can see, there's already a couple hints of Christmas around. I did put all of my Christmas decorations up on the weekend. I'm exhausted, but I did it because I know I'm gonna be too busy to do it later on. So clear off your schedule and make sure that you can really spend time and enjoy putting out your Christmas decorations instead of stressing and rushing and being angry and just throwing everything out and then you're never happy with it anyways. So make that plan, take your time. Okay, task number 5 is last week we did the inventory of what gift wrap do we have. This week, we're gonna go out and purchase our gift wrapping supplies, and just you wait, I have the videos for you. I've hit up Dollarama, Walmart, Superstore, Winners, HomeSense, and Costco to show you all of the great deals on gift wrap solutions. So get your list, check it twice, then come shopping with me. Okay, along the lines of gift wrapping is now I want you to go into your house and dedicate a gift wrapping command station for yourself where you and all the elves can gather to wrap all of your Christmas presents without being bothered or without little eyes peeking in on you. I make my wrapping station down in the basement. I have some great organization tools that I actually got from Dollarama. Check them out. They have great organizers for Christmas gift wrapping solutions. Get organized, make sure everything is laid out. You have a clean space, a clean worktop, so that you always know where you're gonna wrap and you have everything that you need at your fingertips. Okay, task number 7 is gonna be an easy one because you already have a week under your belt doing this, but continue on with your cleaning schedule and your declutter challenge. Even if it's you're finally throwing away receipts that were at the bottom of your purse, do that. Even if you're just achieving the daily tasks and you're not actually able to like deep clean your bathroom every week or deep clean your kitchen every week, at least do your daily tasks. That's something that's gonna get you into a routine. And then before you know it, your house is gonna be spick and span. Okay, and task number 8, this is something actually that I'm going to do for myself. I am going to gift myself pre-made meals. Now, I'm not saying I'm just going out to buy pre-made meals, but I'm actually going to make homemade DIY meals and pop them into my freezer. Now is the time when it's getting busier. As Ava gets older, she has more activities, whether it's birthday parties, Christmas concerts, Christmas recitals. She has like 4 dance recitals and a Christmas concert with school, and then she has sports and then her friends, and we have Christmas parties to attend as well. Weeknights, weekends are gonna get crazy, and sometimes I don't wanna go through the drive-thru No, I want a nice homemade meal. So I'm going to take some time and try and pre-make some meals. So the 4 pre-made meals I'm gonna do a lasagna, I'm gonna do a shepherd's pie, I'm gonna do a mac and cheese, and I'm also gonna do sweet and sour meatballs. So I can just pop that in my crock pot. Then I'm gonna be realistic because I know I don't have time to make 20 pre-made meals. So then I'm also gonna head to Costco or probably M&M Food Market actually, because I do like M&M Food Market. I'm gonna pick up some extra frozen meals like a chicken fajita kit or a teriyaki stir fry kit, a beef pot pie or something just nice, warm and comforting that I know now my family is gonna have a nice warm meal on the table. It's not takeout, but I also know it's going to save me time. Now, before we wrap up this video, I just wanted to give a little reminder to you that this series is not meant to put pressure on you. It's not meant to add more things to your already piling up to-do list or make you feel guilty that you're not doing any of these tasks. If anything, these are just fun reminders for you just to say, Christmas is coming, maybe you can do one thing a week, or maybe just sit down, put your feet up with a cup of coffee and watch the video and don't do any of the tasks. I'm totally cool with that as well. These are just tips to help you get ahead and to help you have a little bit of a calmer Christmas season. All right, my friends, thank you so much for watching today's video and I will see you next time. Bye.